Merry Christmas! Come on down to see the BFG at Kobe's Books and Card Shop. Written by Donald Dale and illustrated by Quentin Blake. Bring your parents, bring your grandparents. If they don't come, bring your best friends. You have to read this book, ages 8 through 108. Only $19.95. No operator standing by. This story is mainly about a little girl who has been kidnapped by the BFG. The BFG is a giant from the giant country to save her from being eaten by the bad giants. The BFG took Sophie to his cave and told her about the bad giants and the giant country and why the giants eat and bad giants eat people. The BFG went to the Queen of England because she feels guilty because innocent people are getting killed because of the giants. The Queen does not really believe in giants until the BFG. She sees the BFG. So she had a breakfast with the BFG and Sophie and talked. Then the BFG thought of the military and she wanted to kill the giants. The BFG did not like that idea, so they digged a hole like 200 feet deep. But they had to lure the giants into the hole. When they did that, the BFG was a hero. So come on down and read this book. Thanks for watching this video.